This fort was a blast to build. One thing that was not, though, was the hill that we had to walk up every single time, which I will fast forward here, but let me just assure you, it did not feel fast doing this hundreds of times as we grabbed lumber, tools, etc. Okay, here you will see the completed fort. This has a 14 by 12 foot deck, 8 by 8 structure. It's sitting on top of a tri-beam connected to a large oak tree. I'll get a close up on this. A tab bolt up top and a lag below. And then on the other side, 2 6x6s with 45-degree angle supports. The young girl we were building this for, it was actually her birthday, so this swing was our birthday gift to her. As you'll see, we added a fireman pole. Being one of the taller forts we ever built, the fireman pole was actually about 16 feet long, which was awesome. You'll see on this side there are 2 windows, smaller windows with shutters. We have a ship's ladder right here with some handles to get up. And then you'll see a different view of the fireman pole from this side. A bigger window here with shutters, forest green metal roofing. Then I'll show you inside, just a sneak peek. We put up a nice little happy birthday sign for her. The entrance to the fireman pole with some mulch at the bottom for cushion. And then one more front window and the door with lock and handle. Show you another view of the inside, quick 360 degree, and then we'll go back out the front door. There you'll see again the treacherous hill, and I will zip back around the front real quick to give you one more view from this side. And there you go, another tree fort in the books. Really love how this one turned out. Like I mentioned, it's one of the tallest that we've built to date, and I think it gives it a really cool look. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. I'd love to answer them.